In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up LearnWorlds and HubSpot email automation to streamline your online course sales and automate your communication with leads. If you're looking to automate your marketing but aren't sure how these two platforms stack up, this video is for you. Stick around till the end, because I'll show you a great alternative that could help you achieve your goals even more effectively, and I've got an exclusive deal for you that you won't want to miss. First things first, LearnWorlds. It's a platform known for helping course creators launch their own e-learning business. Setting it up is easy if you follow the steps. After signing up, the first thing you want to do is create your first course. Go to the Courses section, click Create a new course, and choose a template or start from scratch. You'll upload your course materials, set your pricing, and configure your course structure. Don't forget to test your course preview link to ensure everything looks great. Next thing, let's get into automating email communication. With LearnWorlds, you can set up email notifications to keep your students engaged. For instance, when someone purchases your course, you can send them a welcome email. Just head over to the Automation section in LearnWorlds, click on Add Automation, and choose from a range of triggers, such as course enrollment or completion. You can also customize the emails to match your brand's voice. Now, let's talk about HubSpot. HubSpot is an excellent CRM tool with email marketing features. To connect it with LearnWorlds, you'll first need to integrate the two. You can do this through Zapier, which bridges the gap between HubSpot and LearnWorlds. Once you set up the integration, you'll be able to create automated workflows in HubSpot for things like course signups, abandoned carts, or post-purchase follow-ups. The fourth thing I want to point out is HubSpot's email automation. In HubSpot, you'll start by creating a new workflow. Choose a trigger, like when someone fills out a form on your LearnWorlds page, then set the action to send an email. You can personalize these emails using HubSpot's dynamic content features, which means you'll be able to send emails that speak directly to each recipient's course interests. Make sure you test your email campaigns before going live to ensure everything runs smoothly. The fifth thing you should know is about LearnWorld's limitations when it comes to more advanced email automation. While it offers basic email notifications, it doesn't quite match the power of HubSpot's more advanced features, like lead scoring and behavioral tracking. So, if you're looking for deeper insights into your students' actions and want to send emails based on specific behaviors, HubSpot is the winner here. But here's where I'm going to throw you a curveball. While LearnWorlds and HubSpot can be effective tools on their own, they might not always give you the best bang for your buck in terms of streamlining your process. What if I told you there's an alternative that's better suited for the goal of automating and scaling your course sales and marketing more efficiently? Well, I've got something that might be a better fit for you, and here's why. You can still automate your email flows, build custom courses, and even run an entire business from one platform without the complexity and extra steps. Plus, I've got a special offer through my link. You'll get an exclusive and extended free trial to check out this software for yourself, so you can see firsthand how it compares to LearnWorlds and HubSpot. So, if you want to simplify your setup and enjoy powerful email automation with a streamlined experience, check out the link in the description. Don't forget, this special offer is only available to our viewers, and it's an opportunity you don't want to miss. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.